Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. You want more information about Nero 7.7 installation problems? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about Nero 7.7 installation problems is club.mickey.com. See the page titled Installing Nero 7.7.5.1 on Vista Problem, Club Mice. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site social.technet.microsoft.com, especially the page Nero 7 will not install. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site ask.brothersoft.com. The web page Nero 7.7 installation problems, Nero Q&A. This is the link.